India's oil diplomacy is at a turning point. After nearly 3 years of heavily relying on discounted Russian crude oil, New Delhi is now quietly scaling back. For the first time in months, 5 of India's biggest refiners haven't placed a single order for Russian oil for December delivery. That's Reliance Industries, Bharat Petroleum, Hindustan Petroleum, Mangalore Refinery and HPCL Mittal Energy. Companies that nearly together make up nearly 2/3 of India's Russian oil imports this year. Now, there are two big reasons for this shift. First, it's the pressure from Washington. Last month, President Donald Trump sanctioned Russia's two biggest oil producers, Rosneft and Lukoil, as part of a wider effort to choke off Moscow's war revenues. At the same time, he doubled tariffs on all Indian imports to 50%, saying New Delhi's continued purchases of Russian crude were undermining US sanctions. Now that India is cutting back on those imports, Washington seems ready to ease off. This week, President Trump said the US is pretty close to a fair trade deal with India and confirmed that tariffs will be brought down soon. According to Indian officials, both sides have been working on the legal text of the agreement since October, and a signing could happen in the coming weeks. The US trade thaw comes at a time when India is also reaching out to other partners like New Zealand and to European Union to diversify its export market. Meanwhile, to replace the missing Russian barrels, Indian refiners are looking westward again. Indian Oil Corporation has already purchased crude from the Americas for early 2026 delivery, while Hindustan Petroleum has picked up US and Middle Eastern grades. Top executives also met with Saudi Aramco and Abu Dhabi National Oil Company in Abu Dhabi last week and secured supply assurances. So is this a short-term trade adjustment or a long-term strategic reset? For now, it looks like India is balancing energy security with diplomatic pragmatism.